Tempers already flaring. EFF Chief Whip Floyd Shivambu branded an ANC MP a rascal.
I don't tolerate nonsense. That is why, one, I became a member of the ANC. Secondly, I became a member of Mkondo Wesizwe to kill anybody who was stopping me and others from securing liberation for our country.
You can't be threatened. Why is Mkondo Wesizwe invoked here when we're discussing
This boy is silly. This boy is silly.
The committee decided to appoint a Labour lawyer and former acting Labour court judge, Randall van Vuuren, to initiate the inquiry into the EFF's conduct in the House last month.
A retired judge will be more respectable in terms of conducting a fair process. So we want to recommend that we have a retired judge to be the initiator of this process.
The committee has to establish whether there are grounds for 20 EFF MPs to be suspended. EFF MPs will have the right to appoint their own legal representative. They have raised concerns about remarks already made calling for their suspension.
Yes, members are here from political parties, but how they are judged is in their conduct in the committee. So, for example, where evidence is presented and it's not reasonably listened to, the matter can be reviewed.
The inquiry will start after the initiator has gathered enough evidence. Bulelani Philip, SABC News.